Hi, good night. Go hello to the good night. Our team begins in 18 has chosen the team filmy sound of natural. Our team is made up Mario Escalante, Mike Martinez, and my person Aida Perdomo. Listening the sound on the rain. I feel a positive aura that guides my peace and life tranquilly. At the same time, I felt thinking can reflect and giving myself that unique moment for where I can identify in the good, in the bad, in happiness in my life. On the other side, pick me moment on the bedroom. I log out evening did the feel raining continue rhythm. I don't just felt me ring helping. My cats with me Thursday side and the guides my feeling of sleep where I feel when the house revealing the instrument leading. Sometimes listening on Sunday that I might incredibly my transmitted so much peace on my body and then enter a period of relaxation. Yes.
Hi, my name is Mario Escalante. I like to listen to the rain. It makes me feel calm. I like to sleep when it rains. Drink hot coffee and spend time with my family. Thunder scares me because it's responsible for many deaths. I imagine myself on a beach, listen to the waves of the sea, the thunder, the rain, transmits my peace.
Hello, my name is Mike Martinez, and the option I chose were the rain and the birds. Listening to the sound of the rain and the sound of the birds, I only think about vacations, finishing this semester and resting, going to my grandmother's town and having coffee in the afternoon with her, then go to bed just to listening to the soothing sound of the rain and be able to sleep for a long time. This semester was very hard for me. Waking up and keeping it raining and having dinner with my grandmother delicious food while we talk about what has happening in this time and continue enjoying the rain.